students, good morning all of you. I am Snigdha Mathai, I teach English in Vivekananda Public School. Today we will discuss our chapter 3 of English literature book, lesson 3, and topic is your Surly the squirrel. The squirrel name is Surly. Okay. So all the students, please take out your English literature book, open page number 16. Page number 16. In this chapter, we will discuss about animals, their babies, how their life in the forest. As usual, we will think that our life is very hard, whereas animals are very good. Whenever they want to go, they can come. They can eat, they can sleep anywhere. They have no responsibility. No, we are wrong. They have also hard life. They have to take care of their family, their babies, and think about their safety. Also, they are doing hard to search the food. Okay. So, before start the chapter, first of all we will see all these animals and what they eat. As usual, human beings are not eat human beings. But whereas here, one animals are here, those who can eat, they are friends, they are small animals like this. And who is that animals? Today we will see these pictures and do. Now tell me students, tiger. What tiger love to eat? See your first picture here. One rabbit and deer is here. Tiger very much hungry. If these two animals come in front of him, then what will happen? Will catch and eat. Okay, so tiger, match the tiger with this picture. First picture. Okay, then eagle. What eagle eat? Eagle is also a bird. He is also eats small little animal. What are they? They are squirrels, small birds, small mouse and mice. Okay. What they are eating? Eagle? Yes. Match this with your squirrel, little bird and mouse. Okay. Next. What elephant eat? Elephant do not eat any flesh of the animal. He ate good food. What is that? Nuts, conquered grapes and other vegetables, fruits, leaves, all these things. So match this with this picture. Elephant, conquered grapes and nuts. Okay. Then rabbit. Okay. Then what it eat? Who can say? What it eat? It also eat leaves and conquered grapes. Okay. So rabbit also eat what? Nuts, grapes, leaves and elephant. Another thing, elephant love to eat what? Sugar cane. Okay. So match this two picture with elephant. One is your conquered grapes, another is your sugar cane. Also they eat leaves. Now rabbit, what rabbit eat? It also eats nuts, grapes, carrots and leaves also. Okay. Then come to dolphin. All of you know dolphin and shark, they are very big fish in the sea. What they are doing? They are also, the shark is very dangerous to the small fish and also to human beings. They also eat human beings. Okay. So here no human beings are here. So what is here? Fish. Shark, a dolphin is fish. Then all the students, all the children love to bear. Everybody want a teddy bear. Or you can call as your panda. All the children also love teddy bear, panda, all these things. But you can purchase a toy. But actually what is their life? They eat what? Leaves. Okay? All the students, you will match this column with pictures according to your second pictures. Okay. Now we will start our chapter 3. All of you open your page number 17. Okay. Now in this paragraph, in this page number 17, here one character is here, the squirrel, whose name is Shirley. She has how many babies? 4 babies, and live with their father. What is his father name? Father name is Stripes. Okay. Now in this, first of all we will read this paragraph, then I will explain. Okay. Shirley the squirrel lives in a hole in the bark of an old oak tree. She lives with her family, 4 babies and their father Stripes. Okay. Shirley and her family love to run down the tree. They chase each other in the tall grass that grows below the tree. They gather berries and nuts. They eat and play all day long. Here we will discuss about Shirley and Stripes and their babies. What they are doing in whole day. What is their life? First of all, Shirley and squirrel. Shirley the squirrel. Shirley lives with her 4 babies along with their father. Where Shirley lives? In a big oak tree, an old big oak tree. Okay. And what they do whole time? Shirley love her family very much, and also their family means their 4 small babies love to run down the tree because they live in the hole of the tree. They want to just run down and going around so that they just play in the tall grass which is growing below the oak tree. And what they are doing at that time? They are also gathered small berries, but so that they can eat and their stomach will be full so that they can easily play. Okay, come to second paragraph. See here how they are doing, how they are playing. Okay, here there are 4 babies, father, mother, both are here. This is the big oak tree. This is the hole where they are live. And if when they are getting time, they just come down and play here. Okay, all of you want to love in the grass? Yes or no? Green grass is very much attract to everyone. Next, come to second paragraph. On the same tree live a pair of eagles, chill and prey. Okay, that time on the same tree there is a pair also. What are they? Eagle, chill and prey. They are also live with their family. But what they are doing? Why Shirley is scared to them? Shirley is very scared. Why? Shirley is very scared of them. The eagle swooped down on small animals for food. She is careful about her babies. Get back to the hole, she orders them every evening. Chill and prey have 3 baby eagles in their nest. They go around hunting for food everywhere. They have to feed their hungry babies. What happened? Eagle, chill and prey. They are also live with their family. But their food is different. Here Shirley and Stripes and their babies, they are eating berries and nuts. Whereas eagle trying to eat small animals. It may be squirrel, may be bird, may be mouse, anybody. Okay. So why Shirley is afraid? She is afraid because she knew that eagle must take out their babies. so that due to the scaredness, they just tell to their babies, go back to hole. If just feel when you are in your mother feel danger for you, at that time your mother is safe or not? Yes, like this. She also try to save her child. Okay, her children. So she told, get back to the hole. She ordered the child. Because in every evening, Chil and eagle are moving here and there for their 3 babies. Why they are moving? Because they have to feed their child, their children, food, because they are hungry. At that time they don't see that their children or my children. No, they have only one aim, how to feed their children, and they are waiting, their babies are waiting for them, so it is their duty to feed them. But eagles in their nest, they are always going round and round in search of, if seedless babies, another babies will be there, they don't think about them. At that time they are thinking only about their children. So how to take that small animal and feed to their children. Okay, today we are discussing this page chapter 17, page number 17. Next class we will discuss page number 18. So first of all, it is your homework that you will read this chapter, and before start page number 18, I will ask some question. Till then, stay safe, have a nice day.